Almost every time someone calls me to tell me their dryer is not working, I know the problem. It is an accumulation of lint in the exhaust duct, and it's very easy to take care of, and there's no need to pay someone, at least $60 to come out and fix it. What you want to do is of course, pull your dryer out, which fortunately is not very heavy, at least compared to the washer, and you're going to want to loosen the screw on this clamp, the ring clamp, and take the duct off, which will probably have an accumulation of lint either here or there, or even somewhere in the further down the hose, where it's been kinked. And it's easy to take off both ends, take it out in the yard, clean it out. If that doesn't seem like it's the problem, if there's not much lint, then it's probably a buildup on the outside where it goes out of the wall, and I'll show you how to take care of that. Out here where the warm, moist air goes out to the outdoors is probably where your problem is if you didn't discover an accumulation of lint inside. Simply reach up in there and clean that out. It's definitely going to allow your dryer to expel the warm, moist air, which is what the dryer does. And if it can't expel it, then your clothes aren't going to dry, and now they will.